What's up guys, Veteran Dave P here. I just wanted to give you another video on the uninstall of the BAKFlip G2 and the new install on the BAKFlip MX4. I got rid of the BAKFlip G2. It was junk in my opinion. So I wanted to show you a clip overview on how the G2 is uninstalled and the MX4 is installed. And stay tuned to the last of the video because I'm going to come back and let you guys know on the 3 pros of why I love the MX4. I have absolutely no issues. Now, you can see my other video that I had the BAKFlip G2 having a lot of issues. Well, no more issues anymore. So stay tuned and I'll let you guys know. So that's the new install right there. You can tell. This is what I was talking about here. This here on the BAKFlip G2, it gets stuck. You can't even, I'm actually having a hard time. Well, here, let's show you over here. Now on the other one, it's open. Completely open. You don't have to worry about trying to get this. And you don't have to worry about this right here. Just opens, closes at any given time, and then they're all open here. Very, very easy accessible. This is great. Super, super happy. I hope this helped you out, guys. So I'll just give a brief review after this, let you guys know what's going on. What's up, guys? Veteran Dave P back. I appreciate you actually looking at my video and waiting to the end over here so I can actually give you my 3 main reasons why I got rid of the BAKFlip G2. I think it is completely pointless. I don't even know why BAKFlip even makes this model anymore. Number 1, you have to use the handle and try to find where to grab to get the handle to actually open up your tonneau cover. For that amount of money, why would anybody even want to purchase that? I didn't know. I'm letting you guys know. I wouldn't recommend purchasing it unless you want to actually try to finger underneath your tonneau cover and try to open it and try to figure it out. Next thing, hands down, it doesn't leak. The MX4 does not leak. It's perfect. I'm super, super happy with that. Number 3, the last one, probably for me one of the most important ones, would be you can close your tailgate and not have to worry about if the tonneau cover is opened or closed. You can close it up. You can close it up, and I showed you on the other part of the video itself towards the end that you could open and close it, and you don't have to worry about if the tonneau cover is up or down. Close your tonneau cover, close your tailgate, go on with your business. You're able to open up your tailgate. You're able just to put your hand right there, flip it over 3 times. You're good to go. I mean, it's great. The MX4 hands down is such an amazing piece. Now BAKFlip overall, I don't think it was the tonneau cover. From my understanding on the last video that I showed you guys about the tonneau cover, I actually think it was the way it was installed. So that's my take on it. But I wasn't gonna having a tonneau cover that was over $850 that you couldn't even utilize it what you needed to utilize to put things in the back of your pickup truck, and you had to worry about where you're gonna find a handle on one side or the other side, and it's just inconvenient. And then on top of that, if you're in a rush, you close the tailgate and the tonneau cover is down, it's not gonna seal right and it's not meant that way. So MX4 hands down. If you're gonna buy a BAKFlip tonneau cover, the MX4 is the way to go. Let me know on the comments below. Like, subscribe. Let me know about your thoughts about if you went to this same situation and you actually had to spend double the amount of money and get into G2 and then you transfer over to the MX4, or let me know if you're actually, you know, in the era of which one are you looking at to get. I'm telling you, as you can see, I took out the G2. I had issues in the other video with the G2, just not for me. It's not user friendly, and when you spend that kind of money on a tonneau cover, you really, really want to be able to utilize it exactly what it's intended to be used for. Open up, close it, tailgate, open up, close it, everything. So let me know if you liked this video, and if you didn't like the video, still like it, please. Appreciate it. And I have some more videos coming up with the Ram 1500, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, have a great day.